Apple TV was just a shiny box for Netflix. You've been misled. The 2026 Apple TV upgrade is here, and the hardware transition is so massive, it's actually terrifying for the competition. We're talking about the jump to the A17 Pro, the first time a Pro-grade mobile silicon has ever been shoved into a fanless home entertainment chassis. But that's not the headline. The real story is tvOS 27, an operating system that is being rebuilt from the ground up to be the brain of your entire home, powered by a version of Apple Intelligence that makes current Siri look like a calculator from the 90s. Apple is about to turn your living room into a high-end gaming console, a professional-grade fitness studio, and a sentient smart home coordinator. The A17 Pro chip, the 3-nanometer powerhouse, can finally run at full tilt without thermal throttling because it's constantly plugged into a wall. This means hardware-accelerated ray tracing on your 75-inch OLED. We are looking at the death of the casual gaming era. Apple is reportedly bringing console-exclusive titles directly to tvOS 27, running natively, not through the cloud. For those who aren't gamers, that A17 Pro is the minimum requirement for the new Apple Intelligence Suite. In 2026, tvOS 27 introduces Contextual Vision. Imagine saying, "Hey Siri, show me that scene from the movie I watched last week where the guy is driving a vintage Mustang." Within a second, the AI scans your viewing history, finds the exact timestamp, and plays it. No searching, no scrolling, no friction. The leaked schematics for the 2026 model also show a new N1 networking chip, bringing Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0 to the living room. This means zero latency. If you use AirPods for late-night viewing, the sync will be so perfect it'll feel like the sound is vibrating inside your skull. Plus, with Thread 6.0 support, your smart home devices will predict your needs. When your Apple Watch detects you're falling asleep, the Apple TV will gradually dim the lights, lock the front door, and set the security system through the tvOS 27 command center. Apple is even rumored to be ditching the 4K branding in favor of Apple TV Pro because this device is designed to handle 8K video processing. They want this to be the last streaming device you ever buy. The redesigned Siri remote now features a glass touch surface with haptic feedback and Find My integration with a built-in speaker loud enough to hear from under a sofa cushion. Every leak points to Apple keeping the entry price shockingly competitive because they want you locked into the ecosystem. With tvOS 27, Apple is introducing a universal sports hub. Imagine watching an NFL game where you can toggle between 6 different camera angles, see live betting odds, and track player stats in real time, all powered by that A17 Pro's neural engine. If you're using this smart features built into your Samsung or LG TV, you're driving a horse and buggy on a superhighway. The 2026 Apple TV becomes an interactive member of your household. We are even seeing whispers of FaceTime spatial cinema. If you have a compatible webcam, tvOS 27 will allow you to watch movies with friends across the country, where their avatars appear to be sitting right next to you on the couch in a shared virtual space. It's the Vision Pro experience without the $3,500 headset. The combination of the A17 Pro's raw power and the sheer brilliance of tvOS 27 is creating a vacuum in the market that no one else can fill. Roku, Amazon, and even console makers might have a problem. This is the future of the American living room. This is the 2026 Apple TV, and it changes everything. Thanks to new hardware, the Apple TV could run AAA video games natively, expanding its role beyond traditional streaming. Apple is preparing to update its most advanced streaming device. As 2025 comes to an end with no official announcements, various reports and leaks suggest that the new Apple TV 4K will finally arrive in 2026, with key improvements in performance, artificial intelligence, and capabilities that could expand its role beyond traditional entertainment. Among the most mentioned changes are a new processor, support for Apple Intelligence, and a revamped Siri, as well as a possible leap forward in gaming. The growing expectations are partly explained by the time elapsed since the last update. It's worth remembering that the current third-generation Apple TV 4K was launched in 2022, and since then, rumors about its replacement have surfaced during various Apple events throughout 2025. However, none of those predictions came true, strengthening the belief that the company is now aiming for a 2026 release point. One of the most relevant rumors concerns the processor inside the next Apple TV 4K. According to information published by MacRumors, Apple is reportedly considering incorporating the A17 Pro chip, introduced in 2023 alongside the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Although not the company's newest chip, it remains one of the most powerful within the Apple ecosystem. For a streaming device, this hardware jump would be significant. The A17 Pro offers much higher processing and graphics performance than the chips currently used in Apple TV, allowing it to handle more demanding tasks without sacrificing fluidity. This technical improvement is key to understanding two of the main expected focuses of the new model: gaming and artificial intelligence. The use of the A17 Pro chip opens the door to an especially interesting prospect: native support for AAA video games. Apple has already moved in this direction with the iPhone 15 Pro, which brought console titles like Assassin's Creed Mirage, Resident Evil 4, Death Stranding, Hitman, World of Assassination, and Sniper Elite 4 to iOS. Even Red Dead Redemption recently arrived on the iPhone, available at no extra cost for users with a Netflix subscription. If the same hardware were to power the Apple TV 4K, the device could become a platform capable of running high-budget games without relying on cloud streaming. This would clearly set it apart from most streaming devices, which tend to limit themselves to casual titles or cloud-based gaming services. This scenario also ties in with controller compatibility. With tvOS 26, Apple expanded support for physical controllers, including the PlayStation 5 DualSense and Xbox wireless controllers, which can connect via Bluetooth. Currently, Apple TV's library of native games is limited to Apple Arcade, offering a relatively modest catalog. A more powerful Apple TV could change that landscape if developers choose to adapt more high-profile titles. Beyond gaming, another major focus of the next generation will be the integration of Apple Intelligence. Apple's suite of artificial intelligence features unveiled at WWDC 2024. The A17 Pro was the first chip compatible with these capabilities, as earlier processors lacked the required power. According to Bloomberg journalist Mark Gurman, the new Apple TV 4K will include new chips and internal wireless components, and will serve as one of the platforms showcasing Siri's new Apple Intelligence-based features expected to debut in 2026. This would include a more contextual assistant capable of understanding user requests more effectively and offering personalized responses across the Apple ecosystem. For now, Apple has not confirmed any official dates. However, some reports suggest the launch could happen in early 2026, possibly between March and April, coinciding with the debut of the new Siri powered by Apple Intelligence. This timing would align with Apple's usual calendar for secondary product launches. Until Apple makes an official announcement, all these details remain in the realm of rumor. Still, the consensus among analysts and leakers is clear. The next Apple TV 4K will be a significant upgrade, designed to support Apple's new artificial intelligence strategy and potentially usher in a new era of entertainment and gaming within the company's ecosystem. Apple TV hasn't seen a major hardware refresh since 2022, and that long gap is intentional. According to multiple industry analysts and supply chain signals, Apple is preparing a significant Apple TV 4K upgrade in 2026, focused on performance, AI, smart home integration, and long-term future-proofing. Apple TV 4K 2026 release date. Why Apple skipped 2025? According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple is targeting early 2026 for the next Apple TV refresh. Most reports indicate a March-April 2026 launch window, likely coinciding with tvOS 26.4 rather than a dedicated hardware event. Precision finding for the Siri remote, rumored. One of the most user-friendly rumors involves the Siri remote. Apple is reportedly testing a U2 ultra-wideband chip, enabling precision finding, similar to AirTag. Losing the remote under the couch could finally become a thing of the past, a small feature with outsized real-world appeal, especially for families. Will Apple TV 4K 2026 support 8K video? Unlikely. Current reports suggest Apple remains focused on 4K at higher bit rates, improved HDR, and smoother frame rates, rather than pushing into 8K, where content availability remains limited. 2. Should I buy the 2022 Apple TV 4K now or wait for 2026? If your needs are limited to streaming, the 2022 model is still more than capable. However, if you care about Apple Intelligence, next-gen gaming, or long-term future-proofing, waiting for the 2026 model makes sense. Apple is expected to offer a tiered pricing strategy for the 2026 Apple TV 4K. A rumored base model around $99 would include the A17 Pro chip and 8 GB RAM, appealing to budget-conscious users and competing with Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max and Google TV Streamer. A higher-end model, $129 to $149, may offer extra storage, Ethernet, and full smart home integration, giving users a future-proof, premium option without compromising on performance. The 2026 Apple TV 4K promises to be more than just a streaming box. With the A17 Pro chip, 8 GB RAM, AV1 hardware decoding, Dolby Vision 2 support, and enhanced smart home integration, it's positioned to deliver console-level gaming, smarter Siri experiences, and a truly future-proof living room hub. Combined with a rumored tiered pricing strategy, Apple aims to appeal to both casual streamers and tech enthusiasts, making this upgrade one of the most significant Apple TV releases in years. For anyone considering an Apple TV purchase, waiting for 2026 may offer the best value, performance, and long-term features.